In this video, I'm going to show you how to add employee, users, or staff in Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left over here in your dashboard, and you want to go to where you can see staff. Now, if you can't see this, and if you can't see the team button, it may be because of your region, so this may not be available in all regions. Make sure you are in the correct region. You can Google that, and then from here, you can click on team and then team members. Now, whenever you do this, you can click on add team member, top right, and from here you first want to put in their preferred name, last name, phone number, email, and of course, which is optional, team member ID. When you put all that in, click on next, top right, and then here you basically have to type in their job. So here it's going to be primary job. You can create a new one if you want to. I'm just going to type in, for example, the job is going to be, let's just do barista, okay? Let's say this is, of course, the, for example, employee over here, and then the pay type can be whatever you want, hourly, non-salary, etc. And then here you can do hourly rate. I'm going to do $9, okay? This job can earn tips. It says over here you can edit this to basically disallow this by disabling this toggle over here. Whenever you do this, you can go and enable overtime exempt as well or not, up to you. And of course, if you're adding different users or staff, you can of course make known over here that this is a staff member. Then click on next, and then over here you want to manage their permission set. So I'm just going to basically give them a basic team permissions. Of course, you can edit these if you wanna. You can set locations, and then of course authorized representative, and then you can create a passcode for them as well. Then click on next over here, and there we go. It's going to basically give you an option to review everything. If it looks good, click on done, top right, and there we go. You can click on done, and okay, as you can see here, that specific employee has been invited, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.